Hello friends, how are you today? I'm back this time to talk about dash cams. But what is it? In fact, it is a dashboard camera, onboard camera that allows you to film the road. It is practical because it allows you to record incidents and sounds. In case of an accident, for example, the stored videos can be used as evidence. As you can see, the dash cam can be very useful. The images and the videos taken can be used as evidence and in case if needed. That's why it's more and more used today by individuals, drivers, etc. If you want to get one, I offer you the selection of the 7 best, most efficient models. But before going there, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Don't hesitate to activate that notification bell to receive the notifications. Let's go. The 70 May Pro Dashcam allows you to enjoy an HD and wide-angle view of 140 degrees. In addition, it simultaneously records images and videos at a high resolution of 1944p. In this way, you have a clear view of the road and what is happening around you. It should also be noted that this image quality is enhanced by Sony IMX335 sensor available on the dashcam. In addition, the 140-degree wide angle effectively reduces blind spots. Thus, you avoid the risk of accidents. This dashcam also features the parking monitor functionality. When you activate it, it automatically records images or videos when it detects movement or collision. When you return to your car, you'll be notified of the availability of the recording and you can watch it. This device is also a good driving assistance solution. It has lane departure and forward collision alerts. The former warns you when you leave the lane, it prevents you from hitting a vehicle. The latter helps you keep a safe distance from a vehicle in front of you. Another advantage of this dashcam is that it can be managed on a smartphone. All you have to do is download the 70 My app on iOS and or Android in order to download or view the videos. The dashcam also supports voice control, although it's only available in English. If you're looking for a high-performance dashcam, the Nextbase 322GW may be right for you, as it comes with many features. First of all, it allows you to enjoy excellent security features. It uses the emergency SOS system to alert nearby emergency services if you're in an accident. This way, you can get the help you need. In addition, you benefit from excellent image quality. This camera features 1080p HD, which allows you to record up to 60 frames per second. It does this by its all-new and improved 6G lens, which captures details with extreme precision and clarity. This way, you won't miss important license plates or road signs. In addition, this camera has one of the world's first Bluetooth cameras. It is a connected model that incorporates Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity, and the combination of these connecting elements, you'll be able to automatically sync information and files to your smartphone. You will also be able to share video footage from your iOS or Android smartphone thanks to the My Nextbase Connect app. It is compatible with the Bluetooth 4.2 iOS 13 or later and Android 6 or later. It should also be noted that this dashcam incorporates a very good HD IPS touchscreen. The latter enhances your user experience. Moreover, its smart parking mode increases the protection of your car. It automatically records the physical movements of your car when it's immobilized. We continue with this Kingslim D4 4K dashcam. It's practical and efficient as it allows you to record videos in 4K resolution on the front and 1080p on the back. The images are clear, sharp, and precise. This way, you don't have any blurry content and will be able to see the important road signs and plates clearly. It should also be noted that it incorporates Wi-Fi connectivity and GPS. Thanks to these, it broadcasts your driving speed and route in real time. You don't run the risk of getting lost. As for the Wi-Fi connectivity, it allows you to download the videos recorded by your camera directly to your smartphone. This onboard camera also incorporates many features that enhance its use. This is the case of the Sony IMX335 Starvis sensor, the Hislicon processor, the WDR technology, the f/1.8 aperture, and the night vision. Thanks to all these elements, you'll enjoy excellent lighting conditions to capture clear images. In addition, its IPS touchscreen is convenient as it makes it easy for you to use. You don't need to press any complicated buttons. With your fingers, you can make the necessary adjustments. Another advantage of this camera is it can accommodate 256GB TF card. With this, you can have more storage space with your files. Finally, the camera has many other built-in features: parking monitor, collision detection, G-sensor, emergency video lock, loop recording, etc. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is lightweight and super discreet. It takes up very little space and you won't feel like you're being invaded by your surveillance equipment. In fact, you can even forget it exists because it's so small. However, you should be noted that it's powerful. It offers a very good resolution of 1080p for recording of your videos. They are excellent, clear, sharp, and well visible. They will be useful to restore the facts in the case of accidents or violations. That's not all. The camera promises maximum visibility in a wide angle of 140 degrees. This way, you have a good overview of the road and surroundings and reduces the risk of accidents or collisions. Another advantage of this device is it automatically records and saves the HD videos taken in case of an accident. This way, you won't lose the important content and can use it as additional evidence. You will also appreciate the ability to view and share videos filmed on your smartphone. This is possible thanks to the Garmin Drive application. However, you need to make sure that you have a Wi-Fi connection. Another good thing about this dashcam is its built-in voice control. It allows you to start or stop your camera and make several other settings. Finally, the camera monitors the activity around your vehicle when it's parked. In the event of an accident, it sends out alerts to warn you. This dashcam from Asdome is practical with its two wide-angle lenses of 170 degrees and 150 degrees. These offer you a better visibility on the road. Moreover, they're able to capture and record faithfully all the steps of your driving. In this way, you do not lose any important details. It is a duo camera that offers you resolutions of 1296p plus 1080p. In addition, the rear view cameras are waterproof and compatible with all weather conditions. You'll be able to use it whether it's raining or sunny without them getting damaged. This dashcam also features a handy GPS which shows you your route, real-time speed, weather, and geographical coordinates. This way, you won't get lost. It also has an 11-inch touchscreen. It's anti-glare and display crisp, clear images day or night. You will enjoy safe driving. You will also appreciate this camera because it's user-friendly and multifunctional. It has several features: G-sensor, loop recording, collision parking monitoring, parking mode, reverse assistant lines, etc. All of these contribute to improving your driving and your safety. All of these help improve your driving and reduce the road incidents. This dashcam has very good sensors, one of the interior camera and the second for the front of the car camera. Thanks to these two cameras, your little device is able to capture the road simultaneously. In addition, the dashcam incorporates infrared night vision. This allows you to have clear images in the night even when the light is low. Its G-sensor is convenient and automatically records images of the road. It detects jolts and collisions, locks the footage to my event file, and saves your important content. You should also know that the dashcam has 24-hour parking mode. When activated, it detects movement around the car for maximum protection. With the Blackvue Dashcam, you can capture images from the front and rear of your vehicle. Its 4K front camera allows you to enjoy a high resolution of 3840 by 2160, while the rear camera allows you to enjoy a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080. As for its ultra-wide 162-degree angle, it allows you to have a wide view of the road. In addition, it has a native parking mode with attention monitor. This is convenient because it protects your car's battery. It is also compatible with Wi-Fi, GPS, and LTE connectivity. That's it. Folks, we're done with the 7 best performing dash cams. If you liked the video, I invite you to like and share it. Before you go, don't forget to turn on that notification bell and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon for new adventures. Until then, be well.